Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before we jump into today's video, if you find this tutorial helpful, please take a second to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss another DIY fix. Today, we're talking about a super common problem that every car owner encounters eventually, a parking brake that's either completely stuck or way too loose. Whether your emergency brake lever feels like it has no resistance, your car keeps rolling on steep hills, or you feel a dragging sensation because the rear brakes won't release, don't worry. In this video, we're going to diagnose what's going on, show you how to adjust the tension, and walk through how to inspect or replace a faulty parking brake cable. First, let's figure out what symptom you're actually dealing with. If your parking brake handle pulls all the way up to the ceiling before it catches, or if you press the pedal to the floor and the car still creeps forward, you've got a loose system. This usually happens over time as the steel cables stretch, or as the rear brake shoes and pads wear down. On the flip side, if you release the lever but the rear wheels feel like they're dragging, or if you smell burning rubber and metal after a short drive, your parking brake is stuck. A stuck brake is often caused by rust or moisture getting trapped inside the cable casing, seizing the internal wire, or a rusty actuator lever on the rear brake assembly itself. Let's start with the easier fix: adjusting a loose parking brake. In many vehicles, you can adjust the cable tension right from inside the cabin. You'll usually need to remove the plastic trim or leather boot around the handbrake lever in the center console. Once you open that up, you'll see an adjusting nut sitting on a threaded rod attached to the parking brake equalizer bar. To tighten a loose handle, turn that nut clockwise with a socket or wrench. You want to adjust it until the lever pulls up about 3 to 5 clicks for solid engagement. Make sure not to over-tighten it, though, because if there's no slack at all, your rear brakes will constantly drag against the rotors or drums, wearing them out prematurely and killing your fuel efficiency. If adjusting the nut in the cabin doesn't solve the issue, or if your vehicle uses a drum-in-hat rear rotor system, you'll need to adjust the star wheel mechanism inside the rear brakes. Raise the back of the car safely on jack stands, remove the rear wheels, and locate the small rubber access plug on the brake drum or rotor dust shield. Removing that plug reveals a small notched star wheel inside. Using a flathead screwdriver, you can rotate that star wheel up or down to expand the brake shoes against the drum until you feel a tiny bit of drag when spinning the wheel by hand, then back it off just a notch so it spins freely. Now, what if your parking brake is stuck, snapped, or completely frozen? Adjusting won't fix a seized cable, so you'll need to inspect under the vehicle. With the car securely raised on jack stands, trace the parking brake cables leading from the center of the chassis back to each rear wheel. Look for cracks in the outer rubber sheath, heavy rust, or fraying metal threads. If you see water or corrosion leaking out of the cable ends, that cable is locked up and needs to be replaced. To replace a bad cable, start by relieving all tension at the center console adjuster nut. Then, crawl under the vehicle and unclip the bad cable from the equalizer yoke that balances the pole between the left and right sides. Next, move to the rear wheel assembly. If you have disc brakes with an integrated parking brake mechanism, disconnect the cable end from the caliper lever and pull out the retaining clip. If you have drum brakes, you'll need to take off the brake drum and unhook the cable spring from the internal brake shoe lever. Unbolt any mounting brackets holding the cable along the vehicle frame. Pull the old cable out, and snake the new cable along the exact same path. Reattach all brackets. Hook up the ends to the rear brake lever and the center equalizer bar, and then perform your initial tension adjustment inside the cabin. Once everything is reassembled and properly adjusted, test your repair carefully before going for a drive. Pull the handbrake lever up and verify that the car stays firmly in place on an incline. Then, release the handbrake completely and spin the rear wheels by hand to ensure there is no dragging or resistance. If the wheels spin smoothly and the lever holds firmly, you're good to go. Taking care of your parking brake not only keeps your vehicle safe when parked, but it also protects your transmission from unnecessary strain. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to leave a comment down below if you have any questions, hit that like button, and subscribe for more auto repair tutorials. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next one.